Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Jaguar F-Pace vs BMW, which is better. Follow along as I highlight performance, comfort, tech, and ownership costs to help you decide. I will compare engine choices, ride dynamics, and cabin materials to show what each brand prioritizes. I will point out real-world cargo and seating differences, plus expected maintenance trends, so you leave informed and ready to pick the right SUV. Let's look at how each SUV performs on the road in everyday driving and spirited runs. I'll describe engine punch, transmission behavior, and how suspension tuning shapes comfort versus agility. We'll compare brake feel, steering precision, and available all-wheel drive systems so you know which model suits commuting, canyon roads, or light off-road use. Use these points to match performance to your priorities. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation: I use leak-proof containers that keep meals tidy and prevent sauce disasters in the trunk, perfect after a long test drive. They stack neatly and wash easily, making weekend trips and weekday lunches simpler. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Now we'll focus on comfort and what ownership looks like beyond the test drive. I'll describe interior fit, seat support, and infotainment ease so you know what daily life feels like. We'll also cover warranties, maintenance cadence, and likely repair costs to project long-term expenses. Finally, I'll touch on resale strength to help you evaluate which choice may hold value better over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.